Hey guys, it's Dale. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some slimes. Okay, so this one is Neon Patty. Okay, so just like that. As you probably can't see, but there's a little bit of poking sound, as you can see. I'm so tired of this. I'm just tired of this. Okay, so this neon slime just has to take its time to come out. So this is neon slime. So now we have to go on the dark slime. Okay, so this is the dark slime. This is neon slime, and this is neon patty. Okay, let's do that. We'll come back to the pink neon slime. With me. Oh, that broke me. Yeah, whatever. Oops. Okay, so we're going to come to this Galaxy Space slime. Easy as it come out. Feels good. It's not sticky, but that's okay. It sticks to your hands, but it doesn't stick in general. Okay. So I've got this slime now. It's just slime. It's a bit rippy, overactivated rippy slime, I'd call this. Oh, yeah, there's a little bit of clicking action. Doesn't stretch good, but that's okay. Now it goes back in this little container. Then this is the framework. It comes in the glass ball bar. It has a bug. This one's okay. Not as good as the other one, but that's okay. I suppose it's still slime. Then you probably can't make bubbles with these ones. we're gonna go with this two-tone putty. Don't swallow. Don't swallow it. Oh yeah, you have to get bit out that time. So blue one's okay. See, it stretches by the ribs, but that's it's okay. Same as this one. But then it ribs. That's okay. Okay, so sorry guys, I'm a bit sick, but that's okay. Now with this unicorn poo putty. Oh yes. Now we have this toilet noise putty. Putty. So it's a good putty. Make a little bit of a crease. Doesn't stretch as much, but that's okay. Then we have these two barrel slimes. Pink and green. Those slimes are just like these one. This one. What's this noise? Like water, orange juice. Okay guys, that's a wrap. More videos with these awesome slimes coming soon. Bye for now.